Supercharge your skin with the ARTISTRY Intensive Skincare Blooming Sleeping Mask. First, take an adequate amount of the product. Before massaging, apply the product on your face and neck. Let's first look into the steps to perform the translucent skin massage. Do remember to use the tip of the rhodium T-shaped massager to perform this massage. To perform the translucent skin massage on your neck and surrounding area, Step 1. From the collarbone, work to the back of your ears in a circular motion repeatedly. Massage in an up and down motion to stimulate the lymphatic flow. Step 2. Divide the area from your collarbone to the concave region at the back of your ears into 3 parts. Massage upwards in a circular motion on both sides of your face. To perform the translucent skin massage on your chin, Step 1. Massage your upper, middle and lower chin in a circular motion along the contours of your face. From the back of your ears, work downwards and massage in circles. Step 2. Work from the corners of your mouth to the back of your ears in a circular motion. Then massage downwards in circles. To perform the translucent skin massage on your cheeks, Step 1. From your cheek, draw circles outwards and massage towards the temple, then push towards your lower chin. Repeat on the other side. Step 2. From the inner corners of your eyes, massage towards the temple, then push towards your lower chin. Step 3. From your brow bone, draw circles towards the temple, then push towards your lower chin. Lastly, gently massage your upper eyelids and temples back and forth, then push towards your lower chin. Next, here are the steps to perform the firming and lifting massage. To perform this massage, please use the rhodium T-shaped massager. To create a smooth facial contour, Step 1. Massage from your neck to the middle of your chin to give it a lift. Work repeatedly along the curve of your chin line. Step 2. From your jaw joint, massage along the facial contour towards your chin. Step 3. Open your mouth slightly and use the tip of the rhodium T-shaped massager to massage the masticatory muscles at the back of your ears. Step 4. Close your mouth and massage around your mouth in big circles. Last but not least, massage from your laugh lines to the front of your ears and the bottom of your cheeks in a triangular motion. To tone flabby facial muscles, Step 1. Massage from the nose wings towards the nose bridge. Step 2. Massage your lower eye folds, brow bone, forehead and hairline. Push from the bottom upwards to give your entire face a lift. To perform the 3-dimensional V-shaped massage, please use the rhodium T-shaped massager. Step 1. Start from your collarbone as the center. Work towards the philtrum between the base of the nose and the upper lip to give it a lift. Then downwards and back to the collarbone. Massage repeatedly to relax the muscles. Step 2. Massage your neck in up and down motions back and forth. Step 3. Massage towards the back of your ears along the chin line in a circular motion. Then repeat the same action, starting from the philtrum and massage towards the back of your ears. Next, gently press both corners of your mouth and massage in small circles. After that, massage your chin back and forth to stimulate the surrounding acupoints. Continue by massaging your entire face, relaxing the muscles at the lower eye folds and cheeks. Then, use the tip of the rhodium T-shaped massager to massage your nose wings, the inner corners of your eyes, and the beginning of your eyebrows. And lastly, draw circles around your eyes to complete the session. Relax and wake up to beautiful skin with the ARTISTRY Intensive Skincare Blooming Sleeping Mask.